everyone, I am Amina, a member of the team Amatip Digital Box. Well, we all know that the digital world moves very fast. Have you ever wished you had a personal assistant who understood your business, handled your writing, and organized your data all at once? Well, today I'm excited to introduce you to that exact solution, which is the Amatip AI. What is Amatip AI? The Amatip AI is the intelligence layer of the Amatip digital box. The Amatip AI is your AI assistant for every task. It helps you write better code faster, analyze deeper, and think clearer with advanced features like smart exports, message selection, and interactive controls. Think of it as your all-in-one digital co-pilot. It is not just a chatbot, it is a powerful engine designed to handle everything from professional content creation and email drafting to complex data analysis. Why do you need it? Why do you need the Amatip AI? Because your time is your most valuable asset, the Amatip AI helps you eliminate blank page syndrome by writing your marketing copy in seconds. It removes the guesswork from your business by analyzing your data patterns. Whether you are a student, an entrepreneur, or a content creator, this tool is built to close the skill gap and let you focus on what really matters, which is the growth. Stop working harder and start working smarter. Amatip AI is more than a tool, it is your gateway to a more efficient, tech-driven future. So, are you ready to experience the future of productivity for yourself? Your journey starts with a single click. So, head over to the link ai.amatip.com and start and register your account today. So, join the Amatip community and let's build the future together. So, in the next video, I'll walk you through how you can sign up or register on the Amatip AI tool and how you can also log in to the tool. I'll also walk you through the interface of the Amatip AI tool. So, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.